Um, wow. I said yes to this or like audition also because it's an original, it's a rep original, and I just wanted to be part of that process, be part of that journey kung magiging ano siya in the future. And I'm sure it'll evolve even more, but it's just an honor to be part of this pioneering cast. Ay. And plus, Rep is home. So it's my first non-children's theater production under Repertory Philippines. And second question is, my favorite song would be, kaya grabe po yung pressure singing it, is Beautiful Girl. It's my go-to karaoke song, so... go-to karaoke song siya. So, when EJ, he was teaching us the harmonies and voicing, parang sabi ko, grabe yung pressure, but it's a privilege to be singing it also. And maraming salamat po sa musika niyo po.